Hi, this is Riley, and this is Torrevieja News for Wednesday, the 8th of July, 2026. Let's start with some positive local developments for healthcare. The political opposition party, PSOE, in Torrevieja, has welcomed the news about the land transfer for the expansion of Torrevieja Hospital. However, they claim the ruling Partido Popular only corrected the regional budget to include funding for the expansion after the omission was publicly exposed. They say they will keep fighting for more public healthcare investment. Staying local and looking at our nearby coastline, there is a big update for beachgoers. A company called Orihuela is taking over the lifeguard services at Guardamar beaches. The previous contractor withdrew from the service, but Orihuela has stepped in to make sure safety operations continue as normal. Widening out slightly into the wider Alicante province, let's look at how the area is dealing with the summer heat. The local council in Orihuela and the water supply firm Veolia have put 2 new chilled drinking water fountains into the town center. You can find them at the top of the Puente Nuevo and in Los Andenes. They are great for filling up reusable bottles and are fully tested public network water. But it is not all smooth sailing in Orihuela. An audit has revealed that out of 35 municipal lifts, only 6 have passed their safety inspections with a completely satisfactory result. 19 lifts have serious defects, and several are completely out of service, including the beach lift at Punta Prima. The town council has launched a tender worth €88,810 to repair them. Moving into some of the more serious news, police in Orihuela Costa have made a major bust. Officers at the municipal vehicle pound arrested a man after discovering more than 2,000 counterfeit sports garments and accessories stuffed inside a van. The owner had gone to retrieve his vehicle after it was impounded for lacking insurance, but officers noticed the rear doors would not close and found fake goods worth nearly €53,000. And finally tonight, a serious accident has occurred further down the coast. 8 people have been taken to hospital after a city bus crashed into the front of a house in Cartagena. It is understood the bus driver had to swerve to avoid a car that ignored a stop sign, causing the bus to mount the pavement, uproot a tree, and hit the property. The casualties include 3 women aged 19, 27, and 34, 3 men aged 30, 49, and 63, as well as an 83-year-old man and a 33-year-old woman. That is your evening roundup for today. I will be back with your next bulletin tomorrow evening to keep you updated on everything happening across our region. If you want to find out more about these stories and others, visit thisistorrevieja.com and remember to follow and subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. I'm Riley Villa. See you next time.